Hey YouTube, back with another video today guys, and what an interesting thing we had going on. Another day of a rising market, right? It's almost as if I said it was gonna happen, which it did. We had a little bit of a slump in the tail end of yesterday, and we had a nice rise today. Now, if we don't have any good news here coming soon when the market comes in with earnings, then we could have a big massive sell-off, or we could have a really good rise if earnings are really strong. And a lot of the focus, I think, will be in the semiconductor area, a lot of in tech. I think a lot of people are eyeballing Tesla stock right now, seeing where the company is going. You've got some big banks saying that the company's not doing very well. The company itself says, we don't need any money, we're producing enough cars now. So it's this kind of like battle that's going on right now with the stock as a whole. I honestly am very bullish on Tesla stock, but it doesn't mean that the stock might take a big dip. If it dropped down to areas where the stock was around $200 a share, I would probably buy it, just because I see the future of cars kind of heading that direction. But there was some things that went on the market today that was kind of interesting. I saw some people moving away back out of their dividend based stocks and going back to more of a growth, so that's kind of a sign that the market is kind of feeling a little bit safer now. And it could have been with Trump saying that, hey, I'm getting a little closer to China. We're working out a deal here. Maybe we can get things going and we could stop blowing things out of proportion. So we'll see how that pans out. Of course, when that happens, you get a nice little market rise, and we could be back off to the races. I think a lot of people are also diving into stocks right now because earnings is coming out, and they believe that the earnings are going to be really well. If the earnings are really good, then we're going to continue on the bull market trend, and we'll see how the rest of that pans out for the nearby future. But I just kind of wanted to do a video on that today. I did not do any kind of investing today because I do not invest in stocks when they are going up. I invest in stocks when they are going down or flatlined. And that's some people will say, well, that's stupid. There's tons of stocks out there that are great companies that are going up, and they go up in price because they have great earnings. And you're absolutely right. However, I don't like necessarily investing when things go up, right? When things become more expensive, it's not a really good time to buy things. Like today would have been a great day to sell. I think, because the market rose up so much. So when things go up like this, these are creating good days to sell, and those are the days that you should be selling off your stocks, I think, as a general rule. Then days where we have like the 5% drop in the market, those would be good buy days, I think. But we'll see how that pans out for my investing strategy. We'll see how my portfolio does. I managed to maneuver through this whole choppy mess without losing a dime. So that's pretty cool. I have some stocks that I've dropped 12% or lower, but I had such a high gain from some of my other stocks like Square that I sold out of, Micron that I sold out of, that I'm still doing positive for the year. So we'll see how that pans out for the rest of the year. Some people who invested in the month of January, I'm sorry for you guys if you've been watching my channel. That was a pretty bad slaughter for you, but now, if we get some good news going on here, you might make a little bit of that recovery back. So it'll be an interesting year in the markets, that's to be certain. But I hope you like my video today. Like if you like the video, dislike if you dislike the video. And if you really like the video, guys, please subscribe. It really helps my channel. Thank you very much and have a great day. See you tomorrow.